Hello everyone, welcome to FarmSmart Insight. Across southern Italy, vast tomato fields stretch under the Mediterranean sun. What begins here as a small seed will in just a few months become one of the most important ingredients in global cuisine. Italy produces billions of pounds of tomatoes every year, supplying fresh markets and food factories across Europe and beyond. Behind this scale lies a carefully coordinated system where cultivation, harvest, and processing must work in perfect sequence. This is how tomatoes are grown, harvested, and transformed from field to finished product. The journey of a tomato begins in the soil. Fields are prepared months in advance, plowed and leveled to create loose, well-aerated ground. Raised beds improve drainage and protect roots from excess moisture, while irrigation channels ensure steady water supply during Italy's dry summers. Tomato seeds are first grown in controlled nurseries where temperature, humidity, and light are carefully managed. Once seedlings develop strong roots and stems, automatic transplanters place them into open fields with precise spacing, allowing each plant equal access to sunlight and nutrients. Over the next 70 to 80 days, the plants grow rapidly. Broad leaves expand, flowers appear, and pollination begins. Farmers monitor irrigation, remove weeds, and adjust nutrient levels using modern sensors and field inspections. The fruits form green, then slowly turn orange, and finally deep red as sugars develop under the summer sun. At this stage, every decision, water timing, and care directly affects flavor, firmness, and yield. Tomato harvesting begins when the fruit reaches the right balance between color, firmness, and flavor. Farmers wait until roughly 2/3 of the crop has ripened, turning from pale green to deep red. Harvesting too early results in bland flavor. Waiting too long increases the risk of splitting and spoilage. In Italy's hot summer climate, timing is critical. Many harvests begin before sunrise when temperatures are lower and the fruit remains firm. Every hour matters once the tomatoes are ready. On smaller family farms, tomatoes are still harvested by hand. Workers move carefully between rows, selecting ripe fruit and placing it gently into crates. This method allows for precise selection and minimizes bruising. Though slower and more labor-intensive, hand harvesting remains essential for premium tomatoes destined for fresh markets. These farms preserve a centuries-old tradition where experience and human judgment determine quality. On large commercial farms, Mechanical harvesters now dominate the fields. These machines move steadily through rows, cutting tomato vines and shaking the plants to release ripe fruit. Tomatoes roll onto onboard conveyor belts where leaves, stems, and debris are automatically removed. In a single pass, harvesters can collect thousands of pounds of tomatoes per minute, loading them directly into waiting trucks. This speed is essential. The faster tomatoes leave the field, the better their color, flavor, and nutritional value are preserved. Each hectare can yield enormous volumes made possible by Italy's climate-fertile soil and modern farming technology. Once harvested, tomatoes are immediately covered and transported to nearby processing plants. Factories are often located just a short distance from the fields. This proximity is intentional. Tomatoes begin to degrade quickly after harvest, so minimizing transport time is essential to maintaining quality. From this moment on, the process becomes a race against time. At the factory, tomatoes enter long processing lines almost immediately. They are washed using high-pressure water systems and rotating brushes, removing dirt and field residue without damaging the skin. Optical sorting systems then scan each tomato for color, size, and ripeness, ensuring consistent quality. Next comes blanching, where tomatoes are briefly heated to loosen their skins. After peeling, they are cooled quickly to preserve texture and color. At this point, the production line splits. Some tomatoes are packed whole. Others are crushed into pulp for sauces, purees, and paste. The pulp is gently heated to remove excess water, concentrating flavor and creating thick, rich products. Before packaging, every batch is tested for acidity, texture, and color. Products are then sealed in sterilized cans or jars and cooled rapidly to lock in freshness. Even byproducts such as skins and seeds are reused, often turned into animal feed or organic fertilizer, making the process highly efficient and low waste. Tomato harvesting shows how modern agriculture balances speed, technology, and tradition. Small timing decisions in the field shape the quality of products months later. Machines increase efficiency, but human knowledge still guides every critical step. What seems like a simple ingredient on a plate is supported by a highly coordinated system designed to deliver consistency, flavor, and scale. From sunlit fields in southern Italy to kitchens around the world, tomatoes travel through an extraordinary journey. Each jar of sauce and each can of paste carries more than flavor. It carries the work of farmers the precision of machines, and generations of agricultural expertise. This is how Italy's red gold continues to feed the world, season after season.